Hello, I'm Dr. Jennifer Darchuk. I'm one of the associate veterinarians here at River Valley. We're giving you a tour today, so you know when you and your pet come in to visit us, what to expect. So when you first come into our building, you'll come into the reception area. You'll be greeted by our friendly client care representatives. They'll get you checked in and let the support staff know that you're here for your appointment. Other things you'll find here in the lobby, we have foods if your pet is being sent home with a prescription diet. We also have other options. If you have a fearful cat, we have some pheromones to help with stress and relief. We also have some dental products. So if we're recommending some oral care for your dog, we have some products to help you out, as well as our different shampoos and skin wipes to help keep your dog and cat skin healthy. So after you come into our reception area, you and your pet will be brought into an exam room. We have 5 exam rooms here at River Valley. This is one of them. When you come in, first thing you'll notice is our exam table. A nice feature here at River Valley, if we're not able to get a weight on your dog out in the lobby, our tables do have the ability to take a weight on your pet, so we can get that as soon as they're up on the table. Other things, so this is where most of the exam will happen. We'll do our exam, we'll talk about treatment and preventative care here with you in this room with your pet. All right, so now we're moving into the back of the house. So where we are now is our pharmacy. So if your pet is sent home with parasite prevention or pain medication or antibiotics, we have a lot of those options here. The way that our clinic is, we double check everything. So one person counts out the prescription and then another person comes behind them to confirm we have the right medication, we have the right patient, we have the right amount that we're sending you home with. We're in our lab section here at River Valley. So if you bring in a stool sample or we request a urine sample, we can process that all back here. If your pet is really critical when they come in and see us and require in-house blood work, we have different analyzers to get that going for us. Otherwise, our routine blood work where we're sending it out to our reference lab, we will process all of those samples here. So now we're in our inpatient area. If your pet has to stay with us for a variety of reasons, they're here for a dental cleaning, maybe a spay procedure or a mass removal, the pet will hang out most of their time back here with us and our staff. Some of the features back here. So we have a couple different what we call wet tables. So for our dental cleanings, there's a lot of water involved, and so we try to use our wet tables to keep the patient as dry as possible. While they're here, they're under general anesthesia with all of our monitoring equipment. We watch your pet very closely as they're under general anesthesia or just sedated. We also have an external warming blanket to keep your pet warm while they're being taken care of. When your pet recovers after anesthesia, we have cages in the back here, so they're always monitored. Again, we want to keep your pet warm, so some of our cages do have a warming element to them. But we keep them here and watch them closely as they're recovering from anesthesia. If your pet is having surgery with us, whether they're doing an orthopedic surgery with Dr. Viren on the pet's knees, or if we're doing a spay or a neuter procedure for your pet, we'll do all of those more in our sterile surgery suite. So another feature we have here at River Valley Veterinary is the ability to take X-rays and to do ultrasound for your pet. So if your pet needs X-rays of the chest or the abdomen, we'll bring them back here, place them on our table. We have comfortable padding to keep your pet comfortable while they're here for the X-rays or for the ultrasound. So at the end of your appointment, you'll come back out into the reception area. This is where we'll make sure you have your medications or food or anything else you're going home with. Check out again with our client care representatives. We look forward to seeing you and your pet at your next visit here at River Valley.